हम अपने नए टॉपिक्स फाइबर एंड हेलुसिनोजेंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले हम फाइबर्स का डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। एनी हेयर लाइक रॉ मटेरियल डायरेक्टली obtainable from animal, vegetables or mineral source and convertible into the non-woven fabrics such as felt or paper or after spinning into yarn into woven clothes. Its classification of natural fibers based on origin। पहला जो है वेजिटेबल और सेलुलोज बेस, इसका एग्जांपल है कॉटन, फ्लैक्स, जूट, बनाना, हेम्प। दूसरा है एनिमल और प्रोटीन बेस्ड फाइबर, फॉर एग्जांपल वूल एंड सिल्क। तीसरा है रीजनरेटेड एंड सिंथेटिक फाइबर, नायलॉन, टेरिलॉन, ओरिलॉन, विस्कस, एल्जिनेट फाइबर, एटीसी। चौथा है मिनरल फाइबर, asbestos एंड ग्लास। सबसे पहला है कॉटन। ये कॉटन को एब्जॉर्बेंट कॉटन भी बोलते हैं, प्योरीफाइड कॉटन भी बोलते हैं। इनका इसका बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स है एपिडर्मिस ट्राइकोम्स ऑफ द सीड ऑफ कल्टिवेटेड स्पेसीज ऑफ द गॉसिपियम हर्बेसियम एंड अदर स्पेसीज ऑफ गॉसिपियम, गॉसिपियम हिरिसुटम, गॉसिपियम बार्बाडेंसिस, freed from impurities, fats and sterilized. It's belong to family Malvaceae. Its chemical constituent 90% of cellulose, 7 to 8% of moisture wax, fats and oil 0.5%, and cell content about 0.5%. Purified cotton and almost cellulose and 6 to 7% of moisture. Chemical tests. First one, dry cotton with N by 15 iodine plus 80% the weight by H2SO4, it gives blue color. Dry cotton with ammonium copper oxide dissolved with bellowing. Third one, dry cotton when mixed with fluoroguanol plus HCl, no red color obtained. Its uses in surgical dressing, filter media, insulation, absorbent, cotton used for absorbing blood, mucus, and pus. Jute, its other name is gunny. Biological source consists of phloem fibers from the stem of various species of Corcus, Corcus capsularis linearis. दूसरा है Corpus olitorius linearis and other species like Corpus cuneamin, other species Corpus Carchorus junodi, etc. It's belong to family Tiliaceae. Chemical constituent is composed of 50 to 53% of cellulose, 20% hemicellulose, 10 to 11% lignin, moisture not more than 12 to 13%, wax and ash contributing to 1% each. Its chemical taste, middle lamella is lignified, gives red color with fluoroguanol plus HCl. Its uses in the manufacture of towels, paddle splints, filtering, staining medium. Jute is used for the preparation of coarse bag. Hemp. Biological source is the pericyclic fiber obtained from Cannabis sativa belonging to family Cannabiceae. Chemical constituent mainly consist of cellulose and lignin. Uses printing, inks, pens, varnishes, paper, Bibles, bank, notebook, textiles. The original Levi's jeans were made from hemp cloth. Canvas building material due to its high tensile strength. Based on idea for such product use for industrial filters. First figure is for jute, cotton, second jute, third one hemp. Next topic is hallucinogens. Hallucinogens are natural and synthetic synthesized substances when taken into the body. They alter the state of consciousness. Hallucinogens compounds cause people to see, that is think to see, random colors, patterns, events and objects that do not exist. Other name of hallucinogens are cartoon acids, mirocoduct, California sunshine, psilocybin, magic mushrooms, marijuana and hashish, two substances derived from the hemp plant Cannabis sativa, feeling of relaxation, faster heartbeat. Form of LSD first produced in 1938. Albert Hoffman, a Swiss researcher, chemist at Sandoz Laboratory, synthesized many important ergot alkaloids, organic plant-based, including hydrogen, LSD-25, and psilocybin. LSD is so powerful that is a teeny amount can have hallucinogenic effect. Hallucinogens, Datura. Biological source Datura consists of dried leaves and flowering top of Datura metal. Datura metal variety Fetusa saffrode is belong to family Solanaceae, contain not less than 0.2% of total alkaloid of Datura, calculated as L-hyoscyamine. Chemical constituent up to 0.5% of total alkaloids, among which hyoscine scopolamine is the main alkaloid. While L-hyoscamine, scopolamine, and atropine are present in the very less quantities, C. belladonna herbs use its main alkaloids, hyoscine, are parasympatholitic with anticholinergic and CNS system depressant effect. The drug is used in cerebral excitement, used in the treatment of asthma cough. Hyoscine hydrobromide is used in motion sickness, gastric or duodenal ulcer. Hallucinogens Betelnate, biological source, dried ripe seed of Erica catechu belonging to family Palmidae. Chemical constituent iracoline alkaloids, which are comparable to nicotine in its stimulating, mildly intoxicating, and appetite suppressing effect on the mind. It also contains the alkaloid ericadine, ericolidine, guaicin, guacoline. Uses ericoline parasympathomimetic Sialogogue properties consumed as masticatory in India may cause oral leukoplakia, anti-healthy drug and use as vermicide, and tenofig in veterinary practice. Other hallucinogens, kava, henbane, belladonna, hyoscyamus niger, argemone mexica, etc. Tetrogens. Tetrogens is an agent that can disturb development of embryo fetus. They had pregnancy or produce a congenital malformation, that is birth defect. Classes of tetrogens, radiation, chemical and drugs. First one is tobacco. It consists of dried leaves of Nicotiana tobacco belonging to family Solanaceae. Its chemical constituent nicotine, nicotinamide, nicotine. After leaves are smoked, the nicotine decomposes into pyridine, perfuril, collidine, hydrocyanine, acid, carbon monoxide. It uses as sedative, diuretic, expectorant, discutient, and sialogogue. Nicotine is a vasoconstrictor, result in uterine vascular constriction and intrauterine growth retardation. Cigarette smoking during pregnancy result in perinatal mortality and morbidity risks. CO, carbon monoxide from smoke crosses placenta and it increases blood carboxyhemoglobin, which long half-life in fetal blood. Tetrazones, marijuana or cannabis. Biological source, dried flowering top of piscillate plant Cannabis sativa belong to family Cannabiaceae. Chemical constituent 15 to 20% resin. The most important active constituent present in the cannabis are cannabidiol, cannabidolic acid, cannabidiol, cannachromene, trans tetrahydrocannabinol. Cannabis also contain cannabidiolic acid, cannabidiol A, 8,9, cannabidol A9, tetracannabinol, THC, volatile oil, trioxylene, and choline. It is psychoactive tetracannabinol, 8,9 tetracybinol cross placenta and persist in fetus for around 30 days. Growth retardation is first trimester. Uses cannabis resins is toxic, sedative, analgesic, intoxicant, stomachic, antispasmodic, anti-anxiety, anticonvulsant, antitussive, and narcotic. Cannabis causes only psychotic dependence and act upon the nervous system. Tetragens: ergometamine from ergot, fenugreek, trinogenona folium, Asparagus racemose, Malus domestic seed of apple, Prunus cereali cherry seed, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melaginum, Lycoperdicon, Sculeatum, suspected Tetragon solalidine, Spirolones, Aspa, Aspergillus, Colchicum, autumnale, Vinca rosea, Vetrum, Indophera spicata, Dhatura stromium, etc. Natural allergens. Allergens are inciting agents of allergy, that is, substances capable of synthesizing the body in such a way that an unusual response occur in hypersensitive person. May be biological, chemical, or synthetic origin, defined as a specific immunological reaction to an immunozone, and normally harmless substances that is allergen. First defined by 1906 by von Pyrequet, who described allergy as a change or alter reaction in the body or individual in response to a substance or condition that is harmless to others. Type of allergens: in inhalant allergens, airborne substances as chemical include pollen, dust mites, mold spores, inman allergy, epidermis, dander. Pollens produced by plain-looking plant, trees, oak, walnut, grasses, alfalfa, apple, acacia, barley, bluegrass, canary grass, cherry, eucalyptus, gladius, hazel, juniper, mulberry, mustard, lemon, related species of citrus. Ingestus allergens in food, stuffed and swallowed, skin rashes, puffed lip, skin, migraine, rhinitis, symptoms like fever, eczema, hand and feet. Tomato rash, strawberry rash, eating oranges, chocolated. Shellfish, walnut, cashews, soya lecithin, gluten, soya flour, rice, alfalfa, potato starch, and gum acacia. Natural allergens: insect, gel allergens, inject allergens cause symptoms similar to those. Antibiotic, for example, penicillin, cephalosporin, semicethylene, penicillin. Natural sources of injectable allergens are produced by the sting of bees, hornets, and wasps. Contacted allergens: Anacardiaceae family, primarily the genus Toxidendron. Rust include poisonous ivy, oak, and sumac. Called uracillus, a phenolic compound are found in the oleoresin fraction are derived from the pentadicyclocatechol and heptadecyl catechol. Ruta graveolus, asparagus, ornaments dump, cane, buckwheat, buttercups, catapulus leaves, ginkgo biloba, lobelia, marigold. Infectant allergen caused by metabolic products of living organism. Diphaea secogum, dump cane. It is a plant. Diphaxia suzerae belonging to family Aracaceae. Proteoenzyme named dumpling a cyanogenic glycoside, a substance which causes contraction of smooth muscle, asparagine and protozoonone, swelling of larynx and pharynx. It used to treat gout, dropsy, sexual and frigidity. Natural allergens: Ruta graveolens. Ruta graveolens L is a odoriferous herb belonging to family Rutaceae. Its chemical constituent: ericodone, alkaloids, coumarins, essential oil, flavonoids. Fluoroquinolones have been found in roots and aerial parts. Uses: potassium channel blocker, neuromuscular problem, antispasmodic effect, abortifacient, causes photodermatitis. Thank you.